This is a portable electric kettle from the brand Oshoto that you can use at home, in your office, workplace or while traveling. In the box you will get electric kettle, power cord and user manual. This kettle has a capacity of 450 ml and the inner layer is made up of food grade stainless steel. Portable handle makes convenient to carry or hang the kettle wherever you want. On the bottom it has anti-slip base for better grip. In the front you will get a digital display with touch controls and 4 temperature setting from 45 degree to 100 degree Celsius. Auto shut off feature turn off the kettle when reach the preset temperature. It is portable, lightweight and you can also use it as a thermos to keep the beverage warm for longer period of time. Step 1 is to connect the power cord to the kettle, then plug in the power cord to the wall socket. Then you can pour liquid into the kettle, then close the lid tightly and preset the desired temperature. Make sure to always open air pressure valve while boiling the liquid. Wait for just few minutes and water will start boiling. You can use this kettle to make tea, coffee, hot water, noodles and baby food. Thanks for watching the video.